Very good morning to all my lovable children. I think very eagerly to wait in this class. I am your Hindi Miss. My name is Geeta. Today we learn Hindi. Before that, have you finished your morning breakfast? Yes or no? Okay. Did you know about coronavirus COVID-19? Yes, it is spreading vigorously all over the world. So we want to save, okay? Because the virus is easily spread our body. So that only we want to save. Children, you eat healthy food and take more water. This is my kindly advice. Come, let's go to our Hindi class. In previous class, we learned swear vowels. Swear vowels. I ask questions. What is the meaning of swear? In English meaning is vowels. Vowels. Vowels means in Tamil? Yes, correct. உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். That is உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். Okay? Now next. See, a, I, e. These only we studied in last class. A, I, e. Now, once again, I recall it. How to write these four letters step by step. Now I teach you. The pattern is, first pattern is 3 pattern, then small sleeping line, 1 pattern, upstairs we want to write small sleeping line, that's all. The letter pronounced is A. Now second letter, 3 pattern, small sleeping line, 1 pattern, 1 pattern, then finally we want to write small sleeping line. This letter pronounces A. Now third letter. See, third letter very easily we can write. Small 1 pattern, S pattern, fold the letter, outside will come the small layer, then sleeping line, this like. See, this letter pronounces E. Now last letter, 1 pattern, small 1 pattern, S pattern, fold the letter, outside will come the small layer, then upstairs we want to write small sleeping line, finally we want to write one up curve, this like. Okay, are you understand these 4 letters? See, this letter pronounces E. Today we learn these 3 letters. See, U, and crew. See, last letter crew or re. Both pronounces same. Okay. First letter pronounces oo. Oo, say with me. Oo. Oo. Correct. Now, second letter. Second letter pronounces oo. Second letter pronounces oo. Okay, understand? Before the letter oo and this letter oo. Now, last letter. Crew. Crew or re. Re. Crew. Crew. Okay, say with me. Crew. This is the first letter. This is called U. U. Okay. Then next letter is U. U. Understand? Now third letter. Crew. Crew. Icru. Icru. Are you clear? Icru. Now, how to write this letter? Now I teach that. Come, let's go. Simple three pattern like that. Then upstairs we want to write sleeping line like that. Who? Okay? Again three pattern like that. Then sleeping line. This like. Now again repeat it like this, then this like who. Here, see here, like this. Who, who. Who. Okay, are you understand how to write this letter? Okay, now next letter. Okay, this letter pronounces, did you know that? Say, correct. Ooh. See here, three pattern, then center place, we want to write one down curve like that. Then finally, we want to write one sleeping line. This letter pronounces oo. Okay, once again I write it. Listen. Three pattern like this. Then center place. We want to write one down curve. Then sleeping line. This is oo. Here again I write the letter like this. Down curve. Then sleeping line. The pronounce is oo. Again this line, then down curve, this line. Finally we want to write sleeping line. The pronounce is oo. Once again I write this letter. Listen. Three pattern, down curve like that, then sleeping line. The pronounce is oo. Understand? Now third letter. Okay, now I teach last letter, that is Icru letter. That is what? Icru or Re. Okay, how to write this letter? Do you know that? Okay, now I teach that. First of all, we should write one pattern. Then in the English alphabet coming K letter, no, like that, but here changed the direction, this like. Now cursive E, like a cursive E. See here, this like. Now finally we want to write one upstairs sleeping line. This is Icru. Icru. Okay. Once again, I write this letter. Simple one pattern like a K, this like, then cursive E. That's all. Then finally, what? Sleeping line. This is Ikru. Okay, are you understand? Again, I write this letter. One pattern like K, then cursive E, then sleeping line. This is Ikru. Okay. Again I write this letter. Listen ma. As usual, we want to write one pattern like K, then cursive E, this line, then sleeping line. Ikru. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Again, I write this letter. One pattern like K, then cursive E. See this line, then sleeping line. This is Ikru. The pronouns is Ikru. Again, one pattern. See this line, then cursive what? E. Then finally want to write one sleeping line. This is Ikru letter. Are you clear? Okay. See, one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally, today we learn these letters. Now, I say the pattern. Watch it. 3 pattern, sleeping line, 1 pattern. Upstairs we want to write sleeping line. This is A. Then second letter. 3 pattern, sleeping line, 1 pattern, 1 pattern. Upstairs we want to write sleeping line. This is A. Okay, are you clear? Now third letter. Small one pattern, S pattern. Fold the layer. Outside will come the layer. Then finally sleeping line. This pronounces E. Then fourth letter. One pattern, S pattern. Fold the letter. Then outside come the layer. Sleeping line. Finally we want to write up curve. The letter pronounces E. Now fifth letter. 3 pattern, then sleeping line. That's all. This is the fifth letter. The pronouns is U. Now sixth letter. 3 pattern, down curve, then finally sleeping line. This letter pronouns is U. Okay. Now final letter Ikru. Seventh letter. One pattern like K direction this side. Then cursive E like a cursive E. Then sleeping line. Okay, are you understand children? Once again I recall these 4 letter pronouns. A, I, E, oo, ikru or re. Okay, are you clear in this class? Today we learn these 7 letters. Okay. Here we have given the worksheet. In last class itself, Miss insists how to write in the worksheet. I hope all you remember that one. Kindly follow the instruction step by step. Then you should practice yourself. Okay. If you have doubt means you call me. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Stay home and stay safe. We will meet next class, children. Bye.